Hello and welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making Marinated Shrimp Spiedie Subs. So you're going to need about a medium bowl, and in this you are going to put a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, the juice of a large lemon, 4 cloves of garlic that have been minced, 1 tablespoon of parsley, this could be fresh, dried, whichever, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. So this is what's going to make up your marinade. So go ahead and stir it up. Make sure you get all the dried ingredients mixed into the oil and the vinegar because you want to get this really incorporated. Make sure as you go along you scrape the sides of your bowl just to make sure you get off anything that's stuck on there. We don't want to waste any of the seasoning. And once you have it mixed up, we're going to set this to the side. Now you're going to need shrimp, which these ones that I have are about medium size, so you could use anywhere from 24 to 30 shrimp to fill up these subs because I'm making 2 of them. Go ahead, usually they come like this in a bag where they have the tails on. You have to remove the tails, make sure you get them off, and make sure there's none of that part left at the end. You don't want anything crunchy in your sub. And go ahead and separate them. And now you're going to add your shrimp back into your marinade that you made a few minutes ago, because basically you're going to leave these in for about 30 minutes so they can absorb the flavor of everything that you had in your marinade. You're going to put these in the refrigerator, and basically after 30 minutes they've acquired the flavor of everything they've been soaking in. So stir them up, make sure you coat them, get the seasoning all over the outside. You really want that coated. Now, once they've been in there for the whole 30 minutes in the refrigerator, bring them out and you're going to put them on skewers. I usually put about 6 of these onto each skewer. Now, you could do this on an outdoor grill for cooking them if you wanted to. You're going to cook them for at least 3 minutes or more to make sure that they cook through. I'm using an indoor grill because I didn't have the opportunity to use an outdoor grill for this. So go ahead, make up your skewers. I ended up making about 5 of these. The point being is it's like you probably only need a couple per sub, but it doesn't hurt to have extra in case some of the shrimp shrink when they cook, because it does happen. And once you've got them all done like that, you're going to get ready to get your sub buns ready. So cut your buns open, and then you're going to add cheese to them. I used a combination of provolone and mild cheddar. So I cut the pieces of provolone in half to where they stretch across the bun perfectly, and then I add a layer of cheddar on top of it. And after this is done, I'm going to run these through the microwave just to melt the cheese, to get it melted down enough before we actually put shrimp on it, because the shrimp are not going to melt the cheese enough. You actually do need to run them through the microwave. So as you can see, I put a decent amount of cheese on here, but it actually works really well with the flavor of the shrimp. Especially being that they've been marinated, it really tastes good. So now my indoor grill is hot, and I am preparing to put the shrimp kebabs onto it, which basically, you're going to put these separated a little bit. You're going to close the lid on it if you have one of these, or on the grill you're just going to lay them out. Cook them on one side. Once they're done, you're going to flip them over and cook the other side. It's important to make sure that they've cooked thoroughly and you don't have any raw parts of your shrimp. But like I said, in just a few minutes these are cooked. You can tell by just looking at them that they are done. So what you need to do is take a sub bun, open it up, your cheese is melted in there, that's good. Put your one stick inside of the skewer and just pull it through, and the shrimp will stay onto the sub. And then you're going to do the same thing with the second one. And as you can see, it's loaded with shrimp now. And this is what it looks like when it's done. It is really tasty. It has all the flavor of all the things you made in the marinade. And then you can serve it with French fries. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon.